Hello traders, the title of this video is how to improve stocks trading fast. Do you want to improve your stock day trading fast? Do you want to improve your stock swing trading fast? Do you want to improve your stock position trading fast? Or do you want to improve your technical analysis fast? All right. So if you are asking or you want to improve your stock trading, you are the right place at the right time. All right. I want to share with you a specific trading setup, a high probability trading setup that will help you, all right, to improve your stock trading fast. All right. As I've been telling traders before, if you are building a trading strategy, you have to work with market stable data, things that remain intact in the stock market, in the commodity market, in the futures market, in the financial market. All right, that's how you can achieve consistency in the financial market. All right. So the market stable data that I want to share with you today is that the minimum price move is free. So a lot of traders that are following us at 24 area way YouTube channel will say, George, I had enough. I know this already. I'm not going to watch this video. All right. So I will say to those traders to stay with me and to watch the full length of this tutorial. So it is a market stable data that the minimum price move is free. So if the price going down, the minimum it can go down is free. All right. So if it's going up, the minimum it can go up is free. This is powerful information. We can combine that market stable data with the momentum oscillator. So price goes down 1, 2, 3, stochastic oversold, RSI oversold, CC oversold. So what I usually say to traders is that minimum price was free. We draw a line and we just say priority to bull signal above and priority to bear signal below. All right. If it's going to continue to go down, then it will go below that key level that I put on my chart here. But remember that I said to traders that already know this strategy to stay with me and to watch the full length for this tutorial, because I'm going to reveal more to this. Okay. So the next thing that we know, all right, is that if a financial instrument, all right, goes up from A to B, all right, and then it pulls back to the zone between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, all right, very often there are buyers there. In fact, before the price will come down, will pull back to that zone, there will be some orders to buy that financial instrument. So the zone between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is a hot, a spot, a trading zone. You need to know it. So therefore, if we combine, that market stable data that stated that the minimum price move is free with the Fibonacci, with the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci trading zone, we have a true, scenario that can help our stock trading. So not only, look carefully here, this stock went up from point A. It's very essential video. I encourage traders that like this tutorial to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. The reason why we need to share videos like this is so to create awareness so other traders do not trade against us, so they do not do something else when we are ready to buy or when we are ready to sell. So you can see that this financial instrument, I'm looking at American Airlines Group Incorporation, EPIC AAL. All right. So have you been traveling with American Airlines before? So the stock went up from here to here. So this is a bullish move. All right. Now look carefully. As the stock went down, it went down to the zone between. So I put my Fibonacci retracement here. You see that apply. So you can see hold on, please. The 50% level is the line here. Pay attention to the horizontal. So this is a 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and this is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So that zone is a hot, a spot trading zone. Look, the price came down 1, 2, 3 to that zone. So we have two information here. All right. Can you see? Price came down. Look, don't pay attention to this move up here. So it went down straight. So children will say it went down. Right? They won't say it went up. They start to say it went down. Think like a child. All right, and they will say it went up, yes or no, all right? And then it went down again. So how many times is that? It's free. So if any time you see any financial instrument that goes up, so first scenario, it went up from A to B, and then it came down 1, 2, 3 to that zone, you have a high probability trading setup. But there is a big warning I want to give to traders so you don't make a mistake. Whenever you see it come down to that zone 1, 2, 3, draw that line. You see here, 1, 2, 3, draw that line. And say to yourself, I will give priority to bullish signal above that key level, and I will give priority to bearish signal below it, because the price can continue to go down. So you don't want to assume that definitely you're going to change direction. But we know that if the financial instrument comes down, pull back after a bullish move, pull back to this zone, there will be some orders to buy. But we are not going to buy straight away. We are not just going to buy because the price is in that zone. What do we need to do? We want to trade like a pro. We will apply what we call different time frame trading method. Now, traders hate me for saying that all the time, or different time trading method, top-down trading method, all right? To control the risk here. So as we say, priority to bullish signal above, we will implement different time frame trading method. Because I'm on a monthly chart, I will say, if I'm swing trading in this case, I will say, monthly chart trading setup, I have a bullish trading setup. All right, above that line. Then I'll go to the daily chart for the signal, and I will use the hourly time frame for the entry. So you may say to me, George, are you stupid or what? How can I enter my trade on the hourly time frame? Then in that case, you will use again the daily chart, the signal on the daily chart as your trading setup. Then you use the hourly time frame for the signal, and then you use the 10-minute time frame for the entry. So you may say to me, George, are you out of your mind or what? You want me to enter the trade on the 10-minute time frame? I'm a scalper. Then you use the hourly time frame for the setup, and then you use, for instance, 15-minute time frame. Or you can use the 3-minute time frame for your signal, and then 1-minute time frame for your entry. All right, something like that. Different time frame trading. One time frame for the setup, another time frame for the signal, and another time frame for the entry. The entry time frame is very important for us because we want to control the time when we are about to enter the trade, so we do not enter the trade and the price is doing something else, and then we are holding our head and say, oh, I wish I did not enter this trade now. This is about the entry time frame to control the time when we are about to time the market accurately. So, talking about how to improve stock trading fast, you want to work with high probability trading setup. You want to work with the market stable data. You want to work with the market orders. We know that the zone between the 50% and 61.8% level, if the financial instrument goes up, there will be some crazy buyers here. Some people always buy here, but we don't want to buy like them. We will use what? Different time frame trading method. But plus, if the price came down, pull back to that zone 1, 2, 3, we know that the minimum price move is free, yes or no? Therefore, we draw a line. Now we want to control it. Now, suppose you were here and you apply that method. You look what's happened. For how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. You went up, yes or no? So I'm just sharing this with you. Let me know whether this can be useful for you. If you think that this is useful, all you need to do, step back a bit, all right? Say, this, I like this, understand this, it makes sense, George. Now, step back a bit, all right? Lock yourself in a room, so to speak. Work on it until you master it. Advanced trader can combine that with trading volume. So price went up on the high trading volume, it pulled back 1, 2, 3 at the low trading volume. All right, the volume is decreasing during this period, which means there is no demand. Now we pull back, we implement a top-down trading method. One thing, this is about technical analysis. So if you want to polish this perfectly, you need to adhere to the trading triangle. So you'll be paying attention to the market first, the S&P 500. You will check the sector, industrial sector, all right, what's going on. And then before you pay attention to this stock itself, market leaders, economy, you will also check the economy news related to the American airline group, the fundamental, perform Google Assist test at least, all right. Check the economy. See what's the story, what's going on now with this company, this stock. Click on related company at Google Finance to see companies that are in the same sector, the peers of this stock. So you do not just use the technical analysis and the next day apply doing something. Then you wonder, oh, George, this is just mambo jumbo, because the economy news, all right, the fundamentals can change the dynamics of technical analysis. I hope you will find this video useful, all right? Let me know if you find it useful. Give us a thumbs up, then I know, all right, 4 people like this. Or if you think that this is another blah, 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 George, improve your recording, then you put me under pressure, then I have to do more work to improve my recording. But if you think that this is an essential video, I'm asking you a big favor: share it on Google+, Twitter, and also on Facebook. All right. To summarize this video, we are using 2 things. All right, 2 very important things. All right. Market stable data stated that minimum price move is free. So here it is: 1, 2, 3. We draw the line. Priority to bullish signal above, priority to bearish signal below. Now we know another thing that we want to use. Anytime financial instrument goes out from A to B and pull back into the zone of 50%, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, there will be some buying. We do not assume anything. In order to control the risk, we use a different time frame trading method. We want to pay attention to the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, and the individual financial instrument. We want to perform at least Google Assist test, check the news, check the related company, so we do not miss anything. We can apply this strategy, though I'm using a monthly chart, so scalp less. All right, we can apply this strategy even. I prefer that trader can apply this on a 2-hour time frame. Don't use the hourly time frame, though it's valid on every time frame. I prefer that trader use the 2-hour time frame to find trading setup, and then they can use different time frame to trade. So 2-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, and 3-minute time frame. So the 2-hour time frame will be for your setup. A TSTW24, as you see that on the 2-hour time frame, you go to the first best time frame and apply the TSTW24. All right. So 2-hour time frame, different time frame, 2-hour time frame, trading setup. Okay. 15-minute time frame for the signal and a 3-minute time frame for the entry. All right. Okay, you can see this on the daily chart for the trading setup, hourly time frame for the signal, and then 10-minute time frame for the end. We can use 2-day chart instead of daily chart. All right, try to go a little bit higher. See here, I have a 2-day chart here, 2-day chart. All right, you use the 2-day chart, and then you use 2-hour time frame for the signal, and then instead of 20 minutes, you use 50-minute time frame for the entry, and so on and so on. Let me know how you find this tutorial. If you think that, George, this is another blah, 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 do not go away. Give us the thumbs down. But do not give us the thumbs down. I need to mention, do not give us the thumbs down because this is not your favorite topic. All right, that will be wrong rating. All right, so because sometimes something they say, I don't want to know about CCI, therefore I give thumbs up. Don't do that. Okay, if CCI is not for you, don't give the thumbs down. All right, but if CCI is for you, but you think that this recording is not useful to you, then you have a reason to give the thumbs down. All right, so I can, because I look at those things, then I know, trader likes more candlestick pattern, then I'm recording more video about candlestick pattern, then I'm trying to improve my recording, and then you guys put me under pressure. Okay, so we make this channel dynamics. All right, so don't worry, I cover every subject. All right, so this is the end of this tutorial about how to improve stock trading fast. All right, until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to improve stocks trading fast. Speak to you soon.